The city rests in warm afternoon light. Workers leave their offices, tired but relieved.
Finally done for today.
Yes, my body feels heavy.
It's quieter now.
I like the city better like this. My neck hurts. Today was long.
I need a good stretch. The bus stop is ahead.
Good. I want to sit.
People wait quietly at the bus stop.
Let me check my bag. Wait, something feels wrong. My bag is open. My wallet, it's gone. No, this can't be.
What's wrong?
My things are missing. Did I drop them?
A stranger walks toward them.
Are these yours?
Yes, they are. Oh my, thank you so much.
The stranger walks away quietly.
I can't believe this. I was so scared.
See, kind people exist.
I didn't expect that.
The bus arrives with a soft hiss. People line up and board.
I'll hold my bag tight now.
I'm right behind you.
The bus interior glows warmly. Passengers sit quietly. Lights blur past the window.
I feel calm on buses.
I keep thinking about that stranger. Why did they help me?
Because they wanted to. Kindness doesn't need a reason.
The bus slows at another stop. Evening light fills the street.
Let's get off here.
Okay.
A small food stand glows ahead.
I'm hungry. Wait, my wallet again. Oh no, I can't pay.
It's okay.
No, it's not.
The vendor waits patiently.
I'm so embarrassed.
I've got this. Here you go.
Thank you.
No problem.
You didn't have to. But, thank you. It smells amazing. I don't know what to say.
Emma walks ahead slowly.
Ma, wait. I want to do something. Excuse me, do you need help?
Thank you.
You're welcome. My chest feels light.
I'm proud of you.
I get it now.
The city glows at sunset.
Nice evening.
Very nice. I didn't think kindness felt like this.
It stays with you.
Acoustic guitar and ambient pads flow slowly.
Street lights turn on. The city slows down.
Good habits feel good.
They really do.
Piano fades out gently.
I'm laughing more today.
That's a good sign.
Night covers the city gently. Lights reflect on wet pavement.
I feel safe now.
I feel peaceful. Ready to go home.
Yes.
They walk together quietly.
And keep your heart open.
The city breathes slowly at night. Another day ends with quiet warmth.